When you infuse with LĒVO, you control what goes in and on your body. LĒVO is more economical than purchasing finished goods. So for example, going to the store and buying this many gummies can cost 10 times more than having a LÄVO, buying the mixes and making them yourself. Same with magical brownies. You get to control what is in there so that there's no preservatives, no added ingredients, just an organic brownie mix with your own infused oil. To see all of our LÄVO 2 and LÄVO C kits and our gummy maker machine, head to levooil.com in the US and levooil.ca in Canada. We have a link here on the video. We have gummy kits, brownie kits, essentials kits. We also have the kitchen sink kit. It has everything in one. And when you buy a kit or a bundle, you are actually saving money because they are already discounted. LÄVO lets you make gifts for your friends. You can make infused lip balms, body lotions, bath bombs, and sugary salt scrubs, shower steamers, not to mention flavored oils for cooking. Your friends will love you. Some of our LÄVO enthusiasts, as we call them, have even started their own businesses thanks to LÄVO. They create infused edibles, oils, foods, as well as body care and skincare. If you sign up for our emails, we actually send out enthusiast spotlights where we highlight members of our community.